Welcome to our channel. Today in this video we will go through the process of creating and signing up for the Clipchamp website, the best AI-powered video editing platform. Previously we have talked and reviewed about this platform and its features. Let's start the video. First, to sign up for Clipchamp, I am using temporary email website because I don't want to disclose my personal email. This email website is called TempMail. You have temporary email for various purposes for 10 minutes. If we scroll down we will see the inbox where we get our email. Locate the Sign Up option. Look for a Sign Up or Get Started button on the Clipchamp homepage. It is usually located at the top right corner of the page or prominently displayed in the center. Choose Email Sign Up. Click on the Sign Up button, and you will be presented with different options for creating an account. Look for the Email option and click on it to proceed with signing up using your personal email address, or like me, use the temporary email address for testing this website. You can also sign up by Microsoft account or by Google and some other ways. Sign up by the method which is good for you. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Before proceeding, make sure to read and understand Clipchamp's terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree to these terms, check the box indicating your acceptance. Complete the registration. After filling in the necessary information and accepting the terms, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button to complete the registration process. Verify your email. Clipchamp may require you to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Clipchamp and follow the instructions provided to verify your account. Log into Clipchamp. Once you've successfully created and verified your account, you can log into Clipchamp using your registered email address and password. Look for the Log In or Sign In option on the Clipchamp website and enter your credentials. After verifying your email address, you can just start. When you log into the website, it will ask you what sort of video you want to create, and you can choose from education, content, business, corporate or personal. Next, it will ask you what kind of video you want to create, like vlog, gaming, influencer, etc. This is the simple dashboard of Clipchamp. It's very easy to use and user-friendly. On left side you can see sidebar containing home, brand kit, templates. Also you can add folder in there. In the middle, you are seeing two different approaches to create videos. Down to it there are inspired templates. Also your previously created videos will also be present here for later use. Clipchamp offers a variety of templates to enhance your video creation process. These templates are designed to provide pre-made layouts, themes, and styles that you can customize with your own content. Intro and outro templates, title and text templates, social media templates, and so on. Here you can see Brand Kit section. It's like having your own saved logos or uploaded, also your own fonts and colors. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll delve deeper into the features and capabilities of Clipchamp. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content from our channel. Thanks for watching, and let's embark on this exciting video creation journey together with Clipchamp.